Welcome back to Form Fixer, Train Smarter, Lift Stronger, and in today's episode, we're tackling one of the most popular but often misunderstood exercises, the bench press. And whether you're looking to build strength or grow your chest, perfecting your form is key. And I'm going to walk you through the 3 biggest bench press mistakes that can hold you back or even lead to injury. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to correct your form, maximize your gains, and bench press with confidence. So let's dive in. So the first common mistake that we're going to look at is the improper bar path. And why is it a problem? Well, bringing the bar straight down or too high on the chest towards the neck reduces chest activation and increases the risk of shoulder injury. So the first cue that you want to fix it is you want to lower the bar to mid-chest. You're going to aim to touch the bar just below the nipples for optimal chest engagement. It's then important to focus on arcing the bar path. So you're going to think of the bar moving in a slight arc down towards your chest and up slightly towards your face. And lastly, you want to use a controlled movement. Avoid a straight line path that stresses the shoulders and just focus on that natural curve. Okay, so now we're up to mistake number 2, which is lack of scapular retraction. And this is a problem because failing to retract your shoulder blades reduces chest engagement and puts more strain on your shoulders. You want to focus on pinching your shoulder blades together. So before lifting, squeeze your shoulder blades and keep them locked throughout the movement. The next thing you want to do is chest up. So you're going to maintain a slight arch in your upper back to help keep the shoulder blades retracted. And lastly, you want to stabilize the core. So always make sure that you engage your core to support the chest and shoulders during the lift. So finally, last common mistake, number 3, bouncing the bar off the chest. And this is a problem because using momentum from the bounce reduces muscle activation and increases the risk of injury. So what you want to do is you want to focus on controlling the descent. So you're going to lower the bar slowly and with control, focusing on muscle engagement. You also want to lightly touch the bar on the chest. So let the bar lightly touch your chest without sinking or bouncing. And you want to finish with an explosive press. So push up powerfully from your chest, maintaining control throughout the lift. Thanks for watching Form Fixer, Train Smarter, Lift Stronger. And remember, mastering your bench press form is key to getting results safely. Hit the subscribe button for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video to keep your gains on track.